What'd you say?
Grandma.
Bye, Grandma? Where are you going? Whose shoes are you wearing? Hmm? You're leaving? Are you leaving?
Door.
The door, is it locked?
Open.
I think it's locked.
I'm assuming that we've given up on Kingston eating this.
Kingston?
Want me to give this to Dad?
What you doing?
Sure.
No, don't pull the coat down. You're not going anywhere.
Where?
Nowhere. You've got some mighty big boots on.
Hang on.
Whose boots are
Your
they?
best friend.
Whoa.
Milk.
Oh, you found your milk?
Did you
Mmm.
finish getting it in the plate? You're already done with it.